What if artificial intelligence could actually boost your daily productivity? Imagine waking up and AI organizes your entire day for you. No stress, no clutter, just a clear plan waiting. Sounds amazing, right? But is it really that simple? AI could remind you when to focus, when to rest. It could even write emails or reports in seconds. Think about the time saved, hours added back to your life. With AI, anyone could feel like a top performer. AI tutors could teach you new skills instantly. Want to learn a language? I can talk with you. Want fitness goals? AI coaches track every move. In theory, life gets easier, smarter, faster. But here's the question. Would AI make us dependent instead of disciplined? What happens when the AI makes a mistake? Could we lose skills by letting AI do everything? AI is powerful, but it doesn't replace human creativity. It can't feel emotions or understand values deeply. So maybe AI is best as a partner, not a master. With AI by your side, you could achieve more than ever. But without discipline, AI might make us weaker. The real question is, will we control AI, or will it control us? Productivity should empower, not trap us. So is AI a tool or a trap? What if the future depends on how we use it? Do we stay mindful or let AI run our lives? The choice is ours every single day. So, what would you choose? Imagine your perfect day, AI making it smooth and easy. Would you feel free or trapped? The future isn't written, it's up to us. So what do you think? Could AI make you more productive or more dependent? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this thought experiment, subscribe for more videos on Imagine This.